You walk inside the palazzo and you can just feel the history.
Fractional ownership is literally the hassle-free way of owning a vacation home. Affluent people are looking for this convenience. They get all the services, they get all the amenities of a five-star resort, but they own their vacation home within that residence club.
We're going to have 14 residences. Every residence will have 9 owners. This will mean that 126 new families will walk through the streets of Casoli, and of course they will contribute to the local business, all the restaurants, all the shops. We didn't want just to make a business, we just really wanted to help the community, and we came across this cooperativa. Their aim is the one to just help people with disabilities to just find a purpose in their life. And they really make beautiful things, and it chose to have them to support our palazzo.
We believe that, restoring an old palazzo, bringing a lot of foreign people here to own their Italian dream right here in Casoli, will certainly bring some energy, some vibrancy to this area, but we also want to maintain the authenticity and the simplicity. Our vision is that our owners will immerse themselves in this wonderful community. It's rich with culture, it's rich with beautiful scenery.
We offer a minimum of 5.5 weeks per year. Our owners can choose every year to come in different moments, because Abruzzo is really, like a 4 seasons place. You can ski while having a look at the Adriatic Sea.